Vacuuming and dusting is made easy with the Meco Eleverde VC2 portable vacuum. But how does it perform? Let's find out. This portable vacuum and duster resembles a hairdryer and is lightweight. On the handle, the top button turns on the flashlight. To turn on the vacuum, press and hold the bottom button for 2 seconds. The back end blows air out for dusting, and the front end is used for vacuuming. The dustbin easily comes off with a twist, and there's no worry of particles coming out when it's removed. It comes with a good variety of attachments. The ones on the left are for dusting, and the ones on the right are vacuuming tools. These accessories simply slip onto the nozzle. To use this as a duster, first remove the dustbin. Then insert one of the tips into the back. The Meco vacuum comes with 2 HEPA filters which are washable, and the protective stainless steel mesh covers should be used with either filter whenever they're installed. The Meco portable vacuum is great for small and quick cleanup jobs, and there are 3 speeds for more power when you need it. In the short time I've had this, I found it really easy to grab and start cleaning around the house. There's actually no need for a full-size vacuum for many of the things that need cleaning. The bottom of my fridge was really dusty, and the Meco vacuum cleaned this up in no time. And because this is rechargeable, it's really convenient to use inside a car. The compact design and cordless operation means I no longer have to drag a vacuum hose into my vehicle. With the attachments, I can get into tight spaces and get all the dust out. And emptying the bin is really easy. Here's a quick test of the suction power with a 2-liter bottle. And with a nozzle on the blower side, I can blow up balloons or other inflatables no problem. And here's a visual example of the power coming out of the Meco vacuum. It features a USB-C port and 2-hour fast charging. And depending on the speed used, it has a runtime of 15 to 30 minutes. I have to admit it's been nice having this around. I've been cleaning up things that have been on my to-do list for a long time. And there's no need for me to buy canned air anymore because I can use this to blow out debris in the smoke detector or other things. And here are some final notes. The head can be rotated for more comfortable angles. It also comes with additional tools for cleaning out the vacuum itself. And even though the HEPA filters are washable, they need to be completely dry before using. And lastly, this is important to know, it does not run while charging. You can also inflate mattresses, exercise balls, or deflate storage bags. The VC2 is priced at about $60 on sale, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.